Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today's on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the creepiest and cutest Scarecrow Halloween look in Dress to Impress. So if you want to dominate the Halloween, autumn or horror theme in DTI, here I'm going to show you the essential pieces to bring your stuffed and spooky creations to life and guarantee you win that crown. So now let's just get started to create this look. Now first for the hair, I'm using this up to in here, this ponytail and also these pigtails and also this lock hair in this hex code. You can copy my hex code. Now let's go in here and put on this top. So for the shirt in here, I'm going to use this patterns for the color. Okay, this one in here, including the bow. And then head into the men section and put on these overalls. I'm going to change the color to a little bit darker like this. Then I'm going to use this knife for the accessory and also the pumpkin. Glue it into side. And then for the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots in here. Change all the color to black. And now go to this section and put on this jeans in here, and you can use any pattern that you prefer, but I'm going to use this patterns right here. And next you can head into the dressing room. So for the accessories, again I'm going to use the witch hat in the currency items. This one in here, I'm going to use black for the head, and for the accessory I'm going to use this dark brown color. And I'm going to also put on this belt for the accessory. Change the color to black for the belt, and for the accent I'm going to use the dark brown color. And that's it. So this will be the final look of Scarecrow in DTI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video.